Hi there everyone, thank you for joining me on my series again. So today I am joined by the lovely Mohammed. So Mohammed is a test manager working at Barclays. He's got a really strong automation background, really varied career experience. So I'm looking forward to this. So Mohammed, we'll get started. So can you tell me a little bit about your role?
Yeah, so I oversee the testing of various APIs and web services and database systems in the various teams across the lending platform at Barclays.
Fantastic, lovely. So obviously, like I mentioned, you've had a bit of a varied career. You've kind of come from, up the ranks to kind of automation tester up to kind of the test manager level what you're at now. So what got you into testing originally?
So in my case, I always had a critical mindset. I always questioned everything and would like to look into things in detail and always trying to find faults in things. Say faults, but it's more of having that observational skills into things. So I think that kind of mindset of that thought process kind of drove me into testing.
Yeah. Fantastic, love that. Okay, cool. So obviously you're working at a test management level now. What kind of drew you into your current role?
So at the beginning, the beginning of my career, when I started off, I always had that kind of quality of trying to help others, my colleagues and whoever I worked with, try to learn more about the area I'm working in, whether it's a software application or whether it's kind of a back-end system or whatever it is. I would try to learn more about it and be able to answer the queries of my colleagues. And that way I kind of build a relationship. And also the fact is I always try to be reliable. So I always try to kind of take lead on any elements that is kind of pending delivery. And when you kind of act that way, your managers, superiors, they have they feel like you are more reliable. That's kind of drives you upward slowly through time, and that's what happened in my case as well.
Yeah, I love that. It's like that natural kind of energy that you have to help other people and take on more responsibility. Love it. Okay, fantastic. So what do you think then makes a good tester?
So in my view, the ability to question everything, having a keen eye for detail and faults, it's very important. And the critical thinking mindset is very important. And another key thing is observational skills. So it's almost like you have the skills of a detective, always looking for clues and stuff and questioning things. So I think those kind of elements that makes a good tester.
Definitely. And I think, like you said, questioning things right from the start throughout, being very conscientious with that. Okay, cool. So like I said, you do have a really good automation testing background. So I think it'd be fantastic, to help those out there that are maybe looking to get into automation, or those that aren't too sure what automation is. So what does a good automation tester look like to you?
So they need to be able to always kind of learn new technology, to be into learning new technology and kind of trying new things. They should never say no to new coding language or new programming language. And that's the key. Because if you look at the market today, for any automation testing role, they want loads of tool experience. So always kind of be on the lookout for having that drive to look out for new technology and new tools and interest in how to use them. And also that ability to kind of break things and then try to fix them. So you take a project, a Java project or anything, you try to kind of break it yourself and see the failures. Why is this failing? Question those and try to fix it. When you try to do it that way, you slowly develop the basis understanding of everything in terms of automation testing.
Yeah, definitely. Love that. Fantastic. So obviously this series is aimed at kind of the next generation of testers. So it'd be great to understand, Mohammed, from your perspective, what one piece of advice would you give to the next generation of software testers looking to get into this industry?
Yeah, my advice for you, never be complacent with what you know and what you can do. Always try to kind of develop yourself, learn more. Ask your colleagues, your friends, or your organization where you work in. They try to know more about the technologies, the domain knowledge and stuff. So never be kind of thinking, okay, I know this, I'm working on this way of testing and this is the right way, so I'll keep on following that. There is various different techniques or processes used by other testers. Speak to them and kind of learn what they do, and then try to understand how do they evaluate the testing process, how do you know it's effective and stuff like that. So building relationships, talking to other people, and I think recruitment agencies or people like these, they can give you more advice about the market, so you can develop yourself for the market.
Yeah, I love that. 100%. I definitely agree with that. Obviously, recruitment, I can speak from the recruitment side. A lot of our job is looking at the market, looking at what tools people are wanting to see and what we're seeing our clients ask for. So we're more than happy to give away any of that, you know, kind of tested knowledge. But yeah, thank you so much, Mohammed. It's really great to hear about your journey and, you know, kind of what you would recommend for the future. So thank you very much. I'll pop our contact details down below. If you've got any more questions for Mohammed or anything you want to ask, just let us know. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.